has got to be the third or fourth year we've ordered this, so I'm just going to show it like I do every single year because these are the only pencils that my daughter will even consider using. She loves that they don't have to be sharpened. They come with a ton of refills and a ton of erasers. I'm going to open it here in a second and show you. And it's 0.7 millimeters, so relatively fine. And then these are the erasers. You press like that to advance the lead, push it in and push back to push it back. And then if you need to change out the eraser, then you just put it this end in, the little mushroom end looking thing, and you stick that down there like that. And then if you need to switch out the lid, and I think you can store like 3 or 4 of the pieces on here, like on board, which is nice. You just put them in there. So really fine, but nice, clean, smooth writing. Again, multiple years in a row. These are the only pens she will use. She loves them. I love that she loves them. And it comes with so many replacement pieces. Let me see how many. 6 pens, 6 erasers, and 3 tubes of 12 counts. So I literally only have to order this for her once a year. They're fantastic. She uses them for everything. That's it.